This is how I earned my first $1,200 online as a 16-year-old. I started learning graphic design in 2020 in the silence of lockdown. I scraped out all the content I can find about graphic design on YouTube for totally free. I started creating content on Instagram and I went on a quest to build my personal brand after reading this book called Crushing It by Gary Vee. I was clueless what I should upload, so I was just uploading what I learned along the way. I was already helping some local clients for the social media design. Eventually, as my design experience increased and I showcased my work on Instagram, I started getting leads. I focused more on getting practical experience, so I was charging very less for a design. Slowly and steadily, my content improved, my design skills improved, and I started sharing testimonials of the clients I have worked with. Because of this, I started getting international leads. One day, a designer from UK sends me a message and asks me if I can help him design some posts for his clients. At the time, I was super motivated, inspired, and excited to work with international clients as a 15-year-old only. The UK guy with whom I worked with was a really nice guy, and after working with him, I got hell lots of experience and obviously money. So I bought my first smartphone and laptop from that money, and that's how I made my first $1,200.